Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to print mailing labels from Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful if you're managing a contact list or need to send out bulk mailings, as it automates the entire label creation process and saves you hours of manual work. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google Workspace account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the spreadsheet you'll be working with. After you've logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. From here, click on the sheet where you want to print your mailing labels. This should be a spreadsheet that already contains your contact information organized in columns with headers like name, address, city, and postal code. Once your spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Extensions. From the drop-down that appears, click on Add-ons, then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find various tools to extend the functionality of your sheets. In the Marketplace search bar, type print label and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will bring up several options for label making tools. Look for the add-on called Print Label Mise, Label Maker, and click on it. Once you've selected it, click the Install button to add it to your Google Sheets. Now you'll need to authorize the add-on to access your account. Click Continue to proceed with the login process. A permissions screen will appear, asking you to grant access. Select all the checkboxes that appear and click Continue again. This allows the label maker to read your sheet data and create documents on your behalf. Wait a moment while the login process completes. This usually only takes a few seconds. Once it's finished, you can close the authorization window and return to your spreadsheet. Back in your sheet, click on Extensions again from the top menu. This time, hover over Print Label Mise, Label Maker, and then click Create Labels from the submenu that appears. This launches the label creation interface. On the right side of your screen, the Label Maker panel will appear. Here, you can customize how your labels will look. First, click on Label Template to choose a template that matches the physical label sheets you'll be printing on. There are various standard formats available, so select the one that fits your needs. Now look for the drop-down menu under Add Merge Fields. Click on it, and you'll see all your column headers from your spreadsheet. Select all the header names you want to include on your labels, such as name, address, city, and postal code. These fields will be used to populate each label with the corresponding data from your sheet. After you've selected all the necessary fields, it's time to arrange them for better readability. Input a space between each field so they don't run together. For emphasis, let's make the ID and name fields bold format. This helps them stand out on each label. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the layout, click Create Labels. This initiates the label generation process. Be patient here, as depending on how many rows of data you have, this can take some time to complete. Don't close the window or navigate away while it's processing. Once the process is finished, click Open Document. This will direct you to a new tab showing a preview of all your labels laid out exactly as they'll print. Take a moment to review them and make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready to print, click File from the top menu, then click Print. This opens your browser's print dialog where you can select your printer, adjust settings, and send your labels to print. And that's it. You've successfully created and printed mailing labels directly from Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.